Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the timer relay model and supply voltage so you wire correctly. Turn off the circuit and lock out, safety first. Locate the relay's COM, NO, and NC markings. These define switched outputs. Next, attach the supply live to the relay's L or plus and neutral to N or minus following the label. Once done, tighten terminal screws firmly but don't over-tighten. Strip length should be short to avoid shorts. Double-check polarity and ground. Now wire the load. Connect the relay's no terminal to the device's live lead. The device neutral returns to the supply neutral. If using a separate control trigger, attach it to the timer's designated input according to the schematic. This enables manual or sensor activation. Make reliable strain relief and use the appropriate wire gauge for current. Ferrules make a cleaner connection. Once done, verify terminal labeling again and snug screws. Keep wiring tidy. Set the analog timer by moving the dial or cams to your desired on/off pattern. Confirm AM/PM or 24-hour orientation if present. Restore power and watch for the relay click. The connected load should switch at set times. If it does not, turn power off before rechecking. Confirm supply voltage at the relay. Ensure COM/NO/NC wiring is correct, and inspect the contact for pitting. Replace the relay if contacts look burned. Once resolved, run several.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.